2025 Prelim Iton School Paper 2, Question 9. Kai read part of a book in the morning. The ratio of the number of pages he read to the number of pages that were unread, read to unread, was 6:5. After reading another 195 pages of the book in the afternoon, Kai still had 10% of the book unread. How many pages were there in the book? Now, read to unread is 6 units is to 5 units, total 11 units. Alright, after reading another 195 pages of the book in the afternoon, so he read 195. So unread is reduced by 195. Okay, he still had 10% of the book unread. 10% of the book unread. Now, total book, it's 11U. 10%, it's 10% of 11U. Okay, that will give us 1.1U. So we know unread it's 1.1U, and total remains at 11U because the number of pages in the book doesn't change. Alright, so 11U minus 1.1U will give us 9.9U. Alright, if we focus on this part, we can see that 9.9U minus away the initial pages read, 6U, that's 195 pages, right? So 3.9U is 195 pages. 1U is equals to 195 divided by 3.9. Okay, that gives us 50. And what are we supposed to find? How many pages were there in the book? Total number of pages, 11U. So 11 times 50, that gives us 550 pages altogether. Right, so our answer, 550 pages.